maybe it's too late.
I feel like there's something we should be. Ooh, let's weigh ourselves.
I don't want to.
I don't know how to use those scales that the doctors use.
Go faster, Amanda, faster.
I don't want to like fall flat on my face. The guys at work already think I'm a total invalid because I always come in with something painful.
What's invalid?
Someone who's sick all the time and needs to be taken care of by others. Someone who can't take care of herself.
Ooh, stair
Old
stuff.
people are usually invalids. How do we stop? Oh, stop. There, I got my workout for the day.
Ooh, look at stair stuff.
Did you guys know that you burn more calories on Stairmaster than you do running?
Yeah.
Do you know you can get that new thing that they sell on TV? I'm so scared of it. Does it move on its own or do you have to turn it on?
It should move on.
Just get on it.
Oh, it turned on.
Yeah, you just start and it starts going.
This is really weird doing this in practice. You guys have no idea.
Oh my God.
Absolutely no idea.
Kelly, if you do this, your thighs would